Cooper with King Piers here today at our North Kansas City 10 pier job. Today we are on the lifting stage. As you can see, this foundation is in dire need of some repair. The owners have contacted King Piers, the only pier on the market that is known and guaranteed to lift stone foundations. Today we are jacking up the piers using a laser level to guarantee it's at its correct elevation. After at correct elevation, we encase with concrete, guaranteeing the structure will not sink, shift, or move any further. Give us a call. Any foundational needs, 816-521-8915.